friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome to the channel. I am very much excited to do this video because today I am going to try all the varieties of Amul drinks, and these are all milk based drinks which has some fruits in it, some shakes, some chocolate and some nice spices like this elaichi, and also some healthier versions like ginger, haldi and honey also. And also we have some sugar free drinks. So this video is going to be fun because we are going to try a lot of varieties. Here in present I have near about 24 varieties of Amul drinks. So we'll try one by one and I will share you my experience. So let's get started. So friends, we are now going to try Amul True range, and in this range they have added fruits to their milk based products. And currently I have orange, mango, lychee and apple. So it is completely a different dimension to their product range. They have added fruits to milk and it's like a fruit milkshake. So let me start with orange. And again it is rupees 10 only for 180 ml. Nice hand, best for picnics and all. So this is the cool packaging of this of orange. And as every Tetra Pak, it has also got a straw for free. And so let's try this. As usual, we have to shake it before use, and I'm very much excited to see how milk and orange combination will turn out. They have claimed goodness of real fruit, so let's see. Cheers. Oh wow. Truly speaking, the flavor of orange has completely toned down the flavor of milk, and it's very rich and very fresh in orange. I can get nice flavor of orange here, not milky flavor, all the smell of them. Although they have claimed that it has got milk solids and sugar, but more what you can feel is orange, and that's best and that's good. I didn't expect it to be milky because I would have not enjoyed drinking milk. Like in this range it was lot more prominence of milk, but here you will find a better prominence or better taste of fruits. Really nice orangey. And so let me try now the mango one. Okay, so this is the mango one. Again it is for rupees 10, 180 ml, and shake before you drink. Let's use their straw. Now this is a very nice concept. When I was kid, basically fruity was what we used to drink in these packets, and then we used to ask for straw, and it was open loose. But this concept of attaching straw in the packet itself is very nice, and it's very handy and good also. Also it is coming in a packet. So let's try the mango version. I hope it also satisfy or fulfills my expectation and I get a good taste of mango. Let's see. It's more like I'm drinking amras, a liquid form of amras I can say. But yes, yeah, like I think mango and milk has little bit connection, so I feel the taste of milk here, which I was not feeling here. But here I feel no, I'm drinking something which is mixed with milk. But yes, mango flavor is good. And coming to the sweetness part, you don't feel like it an extra, though they have mentioned they have added sugar, but the sweetness is very nice, mild, and it's not overpowering as in this. So these are a little bit overpowering sweetness, but this sweetness is nice. And for 10 rupees, Amul is selling you milk and fruit. It's nice, it's really nice. Now lychee. Again we are going to try this lychee. At first it will look strawberry, but lychee is our indigenous fruit, and instead of strawberry they have given lychee, so hats off to them. Now this is a good thing that we are promoting our national, or not national, our regional fruits. Coming to lychee part, locally there was a brand called Lychee and they used to only sell lychee juice, not milk added, but Amul, Amul is known for milk and so they have added milk in everything. So let's see how milk and lychee is coming together. I wish they introduce a lychee flavored ice cream instead of, which can give a good competition to strawberry. This is nice. Like, this has got real flavor of lychee, no milk. And I found lychee itself has a really nice aroma. The scent of, or the freshness or the smell which you get from lychee is outstanding. That's why I like lychee a lot. Wow. Lychee is basically a summer fruit, like mango. Lychee is also a summer fruit, but it's nice, refreshing. And about the sweetness part, this lychee is really nice. Okay, so the last fruit is apple. Again, same 10 rupees for 180 ml. It is said an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and milk is good for bones. So this is a very healthy combination, I feel. And I don't like apple, I don't like milk, but I'm trying everything. So I hope this also turns out good. Cheers to Amul True Apple. Yeah. The first drink which I have tasted ever of apple flavor is Appy Fizz. After that, this. Same, it was more on the liquidy and more acidic. Here it is subtle because they have added milk. So, but the flavor of apple is prominent here. Drinking this, I became a little bit nostalgia about the Appy Fizz drink. So I just mentioned that. But yes, apple flavor is nice and prominent. Milk flavor is, toned down, and sweetness is apt, not much or not less. Good. And for the price and the quality is really appreciable, and I really appreciate that Amul is giving milk and fruit juice just for ₹10 at 180 ml. It's good for like kids, old people, and everyone can have this on a go, and they can enjoy nice, fresh drinks. So friends, now there are two other things which are not from the Amul True range, but there are newly launched, and these are not that new, but yes, that is Amul Milkshake double chocolate. I got this because I want to know what is the difference between these two, because Amul Cool Coco is chocolate and milk, and Amul Milkshake is also chocolate and milk, only they have mentioned here 2 times more chocolate. So just to know the difference, like which one is better, I have got this. This comes for ₹30 for 180 ml, and this comes for ₹25 for 180 ml. So maybe ₹5 more for the extra chocolate. So let's shake it and try this. And the good thing is, here it is mentioned that the straw is recyclable. Okay, so this they can buy back the company which is manufacturing, and they can recycle it. So that's a very good initiative to keep our environment clean and healthy. And now it's time to try the Amul Milkshake. So as the name goes, yeah, the chocolate flavor is prominent and it's more chocolatey here, and yeah, it's good, but let me try this once again so that I can distinguish the flavors. What is different of this drink from Amul Coco Cool or Cool Coco, that yes, they have the flavor of chocolate, or the taste is more here of the chocolates, and other than that I don't think any difference other than the taste of chocolate. That's why it's a chocolate milkshake. Yeah, it completely live up to the expectation of milkshake, which I think all have lived up. But yes, the chocolate, as they have mentioned, 2 times more, and for which they're charging 5 rupees more than this, so that's completely genuine. And yeah, it's good. Like, what chocolate lovers, this is a treat to them. That's all what I can say for this. And now we are left out with Amul Lassi. Amul Lassi, I don't have to give any, Amul Lassi and Amul Buttermilk. These are the two godfathers, I can say, Image, and I don't have to give a review on this because these are like, they don't require any review. People know what is Amul Lassi and Amul Buttermilk. I am missing buttermilk because I have kept everything sweet, so I didn't go for buttermilk. But yes, Amul Lassi we can try. And this is 15 rupees for 200 ml. And yeah, lassi, these are basically made up of curd. So yes, the little bit tanginess of curd, you can find sweetness of sugar, and the aroma and the flavor of rose, you can find it. So yeah, this is nice lassi. I think I don't have to review this. Everyone knows it and everyone loves it. So this is Amul Lassi for all of you. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next part with the other range of products. Till then, let's live, connect and grow. And do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also let me know your favorite drink in the comment section below from Amul. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.